that the last and most difficult galus that Am Yisrael will face will be the confrontation with Yishmael. And this was said in the 1500s, and the Pirkei Rabbi Eliezer is even earlier. And he says Yishmael is the most difficult because they are the only one of our enemies that comes with a spiritual power. The danger of Yishmael is a much more subtle danger, because Yishmael comes not only with physical brutality, but Yishmael comes with spiritual merits. They are a child of Abraham. They have a koach of prayer. They have a merit of Brit Milah, again, which goes back to Abraham. There is a tznius. And the reason why the galus is so difficult is that we have to counter it with a spiritual power that is greater than their spiritual power. There's no way to stop it, meaning there is no logical way of stopping people who are willing to die for their cause. What, they're threatened with death? Bring it on, gesundte hey. That's what I want. But when you have people who don't care if they die, then how are you going to stop them? There's nothing you can do. So really, the statement of Rav Chaim Vital that Golus Yishmael is impossible to defeat by conventional military means, is even true on a simple political way. There's no way. You do your ishtadlus, but there's no particular way that you can guarantee anything. So the dilemma is we need spiritual ways of defeating them.